Stop wasting milliseconds with basic switches. 6 keyboards redefine speed with 8,000 Hz polling and analog precision. Grab pricing and links from the description to see which powerhouse dominates the top spot. 8 customizable RGB zones keep your desk looking sharp. High latency input usually kills competitive play, but the Apex 3 TKL uses rubber dome switches for a softer casual feel. Macro programmable keys allow for complex shortcuts. Wired-only connectivity limits you to a single desk. The ABS keycaps feel slippery. Stable keys provide a consistent typing experience for office work. Dedicated media keys allow for instant volume control during games. Custom macros simplify repetitive tasks in programming. Zone-lit backlighting makes legends visible in dark rooms. Need a wrist rest? Slippery keys. The ABS keycaps lack grip, and the absence of a palm support leads to fatigue during long sessions. Casual gamers who want RGB lighting are a yes. Skip if you need the raw speed of a NuPhy WH80, the entry-level casual choice. 1000 Hz update rate ensures zero bottlenecking for competitive play. Low latency gaming boards usually struggle with consistency, but the K70 CORE delivers a focused, wired-only connection. MLX red linear switches offer short, pre-travel distance for instant reactions. Full N-key rollover prevents ghosting during intense matches. The raw typing feel is the main draw. Lightweight linear switches allow for faster key presses in reaction-based titles. Shine-through legends keep your inputs visible in total darkness. Complex macros programmed via software replace the need for a keyboard-only recording system. A sturdy build prevents deck flex during heavy use. Need a wireless setup? Wired only. The lack of Bluetooth or multi-device pairing restricts your desk layout. Software-based macros mean you can't record them directly on the hardware. Wired-only gamers who prioritize raw speed will say yes. Skip if you need a mobile, compatible device. The reliable wired performance standard. 3-device Bluetooth pairing keeps your multitasking workflow seamless. Most gaming boards lack a refined typing feel, but the Lemokey P1 HE delivers a focused, quiet experience. A 1000 Hz update rate ensures no lag across wired or wireless modes. Web-based software handles actuation and reset distances. Acoustic dampening layers kill noise. The raw typing quality is the real draw. Quiet, pre-lubed switches eliminate rattle for a professional sound. RGB backlighting with shine-through legends keeps the keys visible in any light. Custom macros assigned via software replace the need for dedicated keys. Multi-device connectivity allows instant switching between a PC and tablet. Need a slim profile? Height. The tall chassis requires a wrist rest for comfort during long sessions. Analog gamepad output remains inconsistent and doesn't work as expected. Programming and office professionals who game will love this. Skip if you need a lightweight travel board. The quiet professional performance tool. SOCD and DKS support lets you break tap strafe in FPS titles. High-performance boards usually lack wireless options, but the Fun 60 Ultra provides 2.4 GHz and Bluetooth connectivity. Web-based software enables rapid trigger and SOCD. Aluminum construction keeps the chassis solid. SOCD functionality creates a specific competitive advantage. Advanced input options secure a victory in fast-paced matches. Custom actuation settings eliminate waste in every keystroke. Multi-device Bluetooth pairing lets you switch between a tablet and PC instantly. Pre-lubed stabilizers stop rattle for a cleaner sound. Worried about desk space? Stiff mounting. The tray mount feels firm, and the lack of typing angle options limits ergonomic flexibility. Competitive FPS players will find this a yes. Pass if you need dedicated media keys. The wireless performance powerhouse. True analog output transforms how you steer in flight sims. Standard boards bottleneck input, but the 80HE's 8000 Hz polling rate ensures consistent, zero-lag response. Rapid trigger allows for near instantaneous key resets. Web-based software provides deep actuation customization. Gasket mount construction provides a cushioned feel, though the stiffness remains a point of debate. Rapid trigger gives FPS players a measurable edge in movement. Pre-lubed switches and stabilizers eliminate rattle for a cleaner typing experience. PBT keycaps with shine-through legends keep everything visible in low light. Multiple acoustic layers kill noise, making it a viable option for coding. Need a wireless setup? Stiff mounting? The gasket system is firmer than typical boards, and the wired-only design limits desk layout flexibility. Analog input makes this a win for flight sim and rhythm gamers. Pass if you need a mobile-compatible board. The precision-engineered performance tool, 8,000 Hz polling cuts input lag to nearly zero. Most wireless boards bottleneck speed, but this 2.4 GHz connection maintains a massive 8,000 Hz polling rate. Magnetic switches with minimal dead zones ensure instant response. Precise actuation settings through web-based software let you customize every key. The high-profile chassis remains the main ergonomics question. Low-latency performance dominates every gaming genre. Prelude magnetic switches provide a smooth, consistent keystroke without rattle. Multiple acoustic dampening layers refine the sound profile. Shine-through keycaps keep legends visible in total darkness. Wrist fatigue concerns? Height? The tall profile requires a wrist rest for long sessions. Analog output doesn't always behave as expected. 8,000 Hz raw speed makes this the top choice for competitive gamers. Pass if you need a portable travel board, the category-defining performance king. Secure the latest keyboard deals and pricing from the description. Subscribe for more high-performance gaming gear updates. Dominate your lobby.